In this video, we will show you the SendWave Money Transfer to GCash. If you guys want to get started with SendWave, you can use the links down in the description. First, go to the SendWave website on your web browser. It's easy to link your debit card, verify your identity, and send it in minutes. Their team is available 24/7 if you need help. You can scan the given QR code with your phone to download the app. At SendWave, they're on a mission to send your money safely and effortlessly to your loved ones. Next, scroll down and choose the country in which you want to send money. Now select the send currency from the list such as USD. Then the country and currency in which they'll get such as BHP. You can see the exchange rate of the amount they receive. After that, choose the GCash option as the payment method and send it. So, that's the SendWave Money Transfer to GCash. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with SendWave. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.